case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 2004, the Supreme Court of Texas heard the case of 1,464-8, limited vs. Joppich, which centered around the enforceability of contracts with nominal consideration and the protection of purchasers in cases of fraudulent activity. The case involved a real estate sales agreement between Gail Ann Joppich and Millis Management Corporation, Millis, for an undeveloped residential lot with a purchase price of $65,000. An addendum to the contract stipulated that Millis had the option to buy the property back at a reduced price if Joppich failed to construct a private residence within 18 months of the closing date. At the closing, both parties signed a notarized option agreement document which acknowledged the receipt of a nominal consideration of $10. However, Millis never received this payment. Later, Joppich sold the lot to a third party for the full price, who was not aware of any fraud. The central dispute in the case was whether the contract was legally binding given the non-payment of the nominal fee, and if the buyer who purchased the property without knowledge of fraud could be protected from the seller's fraudulent misrepresentation. The Supreme Court of Texas found that the non-payment of the nominal fee did not prevent the enforcement of the option agreement and sent the case back for further review. In its decision, the court overturned the Court of Appeals judgment, signaling the need for a more mature legal system to better enable commercial promises like options and credit guarantees to be enforceable without consideration.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.